Thanks for joining us today. We've got an all-out 8-minute Tabata style workout that we're excited to bring to you. This workout was part of a larger workout that we did for one of our corporate clients. It was such a huge hit that we got permission to bring it to you and share it with you, so we're definitely excited about it. My name is Brad Boggs. I'm the owner of BeneFitness. I've been a personal trainer for 20 years. My wife, Kori, who's going to be teaching this class, she's been a personal trainer for 5 years. She's also a certified chef. Here at BeneFitness, we do corporate wellness programming and personal training and a lot of other things. But right now, we've moved online and on this channel, we do 10-minute workouts. We do 30-minute workouts. We also share our nutritional tips and tricks that we've shared for many years with our clients. So definitely check out our other videos. You know what? Kori's gonna take over. Let's jump right into it.
Okay, we're moving on. We're gonna do a little bit of cardio and get that heart rate up. 20 seconds on, 10 seconds rest, 4 times. It's only 4 minutes of work. We're just gonna pound out some squat jumps, prisoner squat jumps. So we're gonna squat in and out. 20 seconds, keeping those hands up. Second 20 seconds, we're gonna get down into our plank position. We're gonna do a bear crawl hop. So here, bear crawl, plank, bear crawl, plank, back and forth. Only 4 times, 20 seconds, gonna feel like a breeze because you just did 12 minutes of work. This is only 4. We can do it. Get ready. Hands up by those ears, legs wide. We're gonna feet together, squat, feet together. Keep those hands up, keep those hands up. It's only 20 seconds. Sit into those heels, fast. Power it down and up. Sit low, up, low, up. Come on, you can do it. 5 seconds. 2, 1. All right, that was nothing. So we're used to your 50 seconds, no problem. Okay, get into your plank position, or actually start in your tabletop so you kind of understand what that is. Tabletop, knees off the ground. Ready? Out to plank, into tabletop. Plank, tabletop, or I call this bear crawl. Out, in, out, in. Only 4 minutes. You can end 4 minutes. At any workout, you can finish it up with a little 4 minutes of fun. Breathe. All right, 1 round down, 3 to go. Hands up. You can always have a finisher at your workout with these 4 minutes. Go, in and out. Good. Sit, sit low. Push those knees out. Sit between your heels. 10 seconds. Come on, you can do it. I'm right alongside with you. If you can go faster than me, by all means, move those legs faster. Good. Plank position. All right, let's start into our tabletop. Knees off the ground, ready, and jump to plank, jump to tabletop, or bear crawl. Plank, bear crawl, plank, bear crawl. Push that floor away. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. And breathe. When you jump out to plank, don't let those hips sag. Keep those hips up. Good. You're halfway. 2 more minutes right here. Right here, right now. Get ready, hands up. You're gonna squat, feet together. Good. Prisoner squat jacks. Sit back, sit into your heels. Good. Make sure we're not just like hips back. We're not doing that. I want you to sit into your squat. Sit, come on, sit further. Ooh, there it is. Bear crawls. Get down, get down. I want you to be ready before that timer goes off. Get down, untuck your toes, or tuck your toes, knees off the ground. In, out, in. Breathe it, breathe it. Keep those hips super still. Don't let your back sag, but also don't let your hips be high in the air. Okay, straight line. 2, 1. Here we go. 1 more round. Your 4 minutes is done. 4 minutes, no problem. You're having fun. You have to tell yourself you're having fun, because sometimes I don't feel like it. Good. Workouts aren't always fun, but we try to mentally tell ourselves, our mind will tell our body what to do. Good. Convince yourself you're doing good things right now. 8, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. All right, last of those squat jumps. That was great. Okay, on the ground. Toes are tucked under, knees are an inch off the ground, just an inch. Plank position, back into an inch. Plank position, don't jump in so your butt's up. Keep those knees about an inch from the ground. In and out. Good work. We're doing it, we're rocking it. 3, 2, 1. Woo! There you go. If you want to press into downward dog, nice little stretch, do that. Good work. All right, we're moving on. We have 2 cardio movements, 4 minutes of fun, what I like to call. 20 seconds on, 10 seconds rest, 4 times. First exercise is going to be a burpee, no push-up with a forward lunge. You're gonna go into your perfect squat form to get down into your plank position, jump in, stand up, forward lunge with one leg, right back down. Burpee, forward lunge with the other leg. That's the first exercise. Second exercise is just a shuffle, shuffle, tap. You're gonna stay low the whole time. You start at one end of your room, stay low, you're gonna shuffle 3. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, I guess mine's about 2. So whatever room you have, I could even go this way. Tap back and forth, staying low the whole time. Get ready, get set. In 5, burpee to a forward lunge. No push-ups. Drop down, out and in, forward lunge, and back. Out and in, forward lunge. Make sure your weight is in that front heel. Push back. Good. In, forward lunge. Let's go, 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Good work, you guys. All right, we have our shuffle, shuffle, tap. I'll start this way so I don't feel crowded. Nice short room, but you're welcome to stay good. About 3, stay low. 2, 3, low, push. You can do small ones if you want. Staying low this whole time. You can go this way. Just nice quick shuffles. Low, push, 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 toes forward, push, 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 toes forward. 3, 2, 1. Yes, 1 done. 3 to go. We've got 3. Burpee, forward lunge. Get ready, get set, go. Drop down, forward lunge. Sit into that squat, out and in, forward lunge. Good, out and in, forward lunge, we're doing it. Come on, keep it up, forward lunge. Breathe. It's only 4 minutes here. Good, good. Woo. Okay, we're gonna stay low, stay low. Try to keep those toes pointed forward mostly. Don't rotate that foot. We're pushing, we're tapping. Push, push, tap. This is a little too short for my legs. Okay. Push, push, tap. Push, push, tap. Get low. Push, push, sit, sit. I don't want to see you rounding over to touch the ground. Sit your butt down. Sit. Woo. All right, let's do it again. Burpee to a forward lunge. Good, we're halfway. 2 more of each, 2 more. Down. Forward lunge. Good. Out and in. Forward lunge. Woo, I just got wobbly because I saw myself on the screen. If you watch something that's moving, you'll get a little bit wobbly. Or if you're getting tired and all the right muscles aren't firing, stay focused, stay intentional. Good. All right, let's do it again, our shuffles. Almost there. Get low, push. It's only a minute left of work here. 3 20 seconds, because this is 1 20 second, and we have 2 more 20 seconds. Come on, push, stay low. Brace your torso, keep that back flat. Good. 3, 2, 1. Good, all right, 1 more. We've got our burpees. Whew. I had to get a quick sip of water myself. All right, burpee, forward lunge, and back. Good. Make sure your weight's not in that back leg in that lunge. We're shifting our weight to the front leg. Push, burpee, last 20 seconds of this exercise. It's only 4 minutes. 4 minutes are always great finishers, great in-betweeners, wherever you want to put them in your workout. So get your heart going. Last 20 seconds. Get ready, get set, and shuffle. Shuffle, tap, shuffle, tap. Good. Come on. We've got it. Stay low. Stay low. To remind myself, as you get tired, you want to get out of that low position. 5 seconds. Woo. 2, 1. All right. Oh, that 4 minutes is done. Good work. Grab some water if you need.
Good job. That was a burner. Glad you made it through. Please like, subscribe, comment below. Let us know what you thought. We love hearing your feedback. Definitely check out our other videos. We are always going to be posting content weekly, so definitely stay tuned. We'll see you next time.